So, this is our washing machine. A pretty good washing machine and not so old either, not even 1 year old. But what happened? So we have such a critical deviation. Well, I bought something from Temu, and that thing caused a disaster we have here now. I don't even have to mention how happy Rokas was when he realized the root cause of our problem. It was a kind of product that looks like a paper or a tissue. So you put it in a drum and it smells like a lavender, for example, or a cotton or a rose or something like that. So they were cheap and I got 100 of those tissues. And I used them, of course. But we noticed some issues where the washing machine wouldn't drain the water properly and the clothes stayed wet. And then, Rokas is usually our problem solver. So he said that one part of the machine has to be changed and he ordered a new one. But delivery was in a few days. In our house, we wash every day, sometimes even a few times per day, which meant just one thing. In the next few days, I will be a washing machine.